In the vibrant, tumultuous decade of the 1960s, a new wave of activism swept across the United States, igniting change and challenging the status quo. This movement was none other than the second wave of feminism, a powerful force that demanded equality for women in all aspects of society. The seeds of this revolution were sown in the 1950s, a time of seemingly idyllic suburban life. However, beneath the polished veneer of post-war prosperity, women found themselves relegated to secondary roles in both the public and private spheres. The traditional expectations placed on women, combined with the restrictive social norms, left many feeling stifled and unfulfilled. The spark that ignited this revolution was the publication of Betty Friedan's groundbreaking book, The Feminine Mystique. In this seminal work, Friedan exposed the emptiness and dissatisfaction that many women felt in their roles as homemakers and mothers. Her words resonated with a generation of women who were yearning for more. Simultaneously, a group of women gathered at the 1966 Conference on the Status of Women, held in Washington, D.C. These women, including Friedan, were determined to create a national organization dedicated to women's rights. Thus, the National Organization for Women, NOW, was born, marking a decisive moment in the feminist movement. The crisis that the feminists of the 1960s faced was the pervasive belief that women's place was in the home. The legal system, social norms, and even many women themselves perpetuated this belief. The feminists of this decade sought to challenge and dismantle these barriers, advocating for equal pay, reproductive rights, and an end to discrimination. One of the most significant actions taken by the feminists of the 1960s was the 1968 Miss America protest. Led by a group of women known as the New York Radical Women, they protested the objectification of women in society by symbolically burning a bra and other feminine products in Atlantic City. This bold action generated national headlines and brought attention to the feminist cause. The consequences of the feminist movement in the 1960s were profound. Legislation such as the Equal Pay Act of 1963 and the Civil Rights Act of 1964 paved the way for women to enter the workforce in greater numbers. Furthermore, the movement spurred a cultural shift, leading to a greater acceptance and celebration of women's roles in all aspects of society. However, the fight for women's rights is far from over. The feminist movement of the 1960s serves as a reminder that progress is not linear and that continued activism and vigilance are necessary to achieve true equality. The spirit of the second wave lives on, inspiring a new generation of women to continue the fight for a more just and equitable society.